Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove your Microsoft account from your user account on Windows 11. So to get started, let's hit our start menu button and type in settings. When you're in the settings, go to the accounts page which you can find on the left hand side of your screen and click on your info. So here you should see an option underneath account settings called Microsoft account, and in it there should be an option to sign in with a local account instead. So we're going to click that. It should show a pop-up window, and all we have to do now is click on next and follow the few steps. So it's asking for my PIN, and it's going to ask us for a username and password for our local account. So once you finished putting your info in and you finish the last step, you should be able to log in again, and your user account has successfully been unlinked with your Microsoft account. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.